Welcome to another video of Halal Pips. Today we will know, what is Forex? A modern fluctuating exchange rate system emerged when the majority of countries stopped linking their currencies to the value of gold in the early 1970s. The Forex trading market exploded after gold was abandoned as a pricing standard. Forex is a combination of the word foreign currency and exchange. Forex, often known as foreign exchange or forex trading, is the practice of buying and selling currencies, and it may be necessary for a variety of reasons. It is required for businesses that operate in multiple countries, financial traders, and people who want to travel abroad. Companies from all over the world purchase goods and services from other countries. In order to pay for the goods and services, companies must first obtain the local currency, just like we do when we go on vacation. For example, if you live in the United States and want to purchase cheese from France, you must pay the French in euros. It's the same with traveling. A French tourist visiting Egypt cannot pay in euros to see the pyramids because the euro is not the local currency. And here comes the FX market. The foreign exchange market allows banks, institutions, and individuals to buy and sell national currencies. It is the world's largest and most liquid market, with a daily trading volume of $6.6 trillion on average. The market is open 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, in major financial centers worldwide. This means you can trade currencies at any hour of the day. So, how can you make a profit from Forex trading? When you trade Forex, you're buying one currency while selling another. Exchange rates of currencies are influenced by trade flows, economic, political and geopolitical events, which affect the supply and demand of a currency. As a result, foreign currencies fluctuate in value against one another on a daily basis. You can profit by speculating on whether the value of one currency will rise or fall against the value of another currency and then taking positions accordingly. For example, let's assume the exchange rate of EUR/USD is 1.25. You decide to purchase €1,000 because you believe the EUR/USD exchange rate will rise. So you'd pay $1,250 for €1,000. Let's say your prediction is correct, and the euro rises from 1.25 to $1.26. So, you close your trade and sell those euros for $12.60, netting a profit of $10. €1,000 into $1.26 equals $1,260. So, profit equals $10. This is how you can profit from Forex. In fact, you can use leverage to increase your profit potential. You'll learn more about leverage later in this series. Now the question is, where should the currencies be traded? Fortunately, you can trade currencies easily through online exchange offices known as brokers. An online Forex broker serves as an intermediary, allowing ordinary traders to gain access to online trading platforms where they can speculate on currency price movements. We've already posted a video on how to open a Halal FX Trading Account. The link was placed in the description box. Check out the video if you're interested. That's all for today. Stay connected.
Thank you for watching with halalpips.com. Share your thoughts and ideas with us in the comment section.